guys, it's the afternoon today. I've been busy working on a thrift shop project this morning. So this afternoon I thought I would bake a cake. I'm trying a recipe out that I've never used before, but I wanted to practice it before Thanksgiving rolled around. I do like pumpkin pie and sweet potato pie, but this year I thought I'd try something different. So this one is a poke pumpkin cake. Really simple ingredients. I really hope you like it. I hope I like it. Okay, so this cake calls for a vanilla box cake. So I chose the super moist French vanilla Betty Crocker cake. These are the ingredients that need to go inside the cake. 3 eggs, half a cup of oil and 1 cup of water. So that's the first thing I'm going to do, is mix up the cake. And these are the rest of the ingredients. So you need 1 can of pumpkin puree, pumpkin pie spice, a jar of caramel, some whipped topping, and a small bag of small pecans. Okay, so now this is going to go in the oven for 28 to 33 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay, so we very nearly had a cake disaster on our hands. I knew that the cake had to go in the oven between 28 and 33 minutes. So I thought, you know, I'll just go on TikTok for just 1 minute. And I thought I was only on TikTok for maybe 1 to 5 minutes. No, I looked up and literally 28 minutes have gone past. Boy, that time does go fast when you're on TikTok. Anyway, cake's done. I'm gonna let it cool for about a good 30 minutes and then I'll proceed with the next part. Whilst the cake is cooling, I was wondering, what do you guys have for Thanksgiving desserts? Do you have the traditional ones of the sweet potato pie and the pumpkin pie, or do you do something different? Do you have like a family traditional dessert that you guys have? Now, I left England 24 years ago and neither of those desserts were really a thing in England, pumpkin pie or sweet potato pie. But since leaving, I believe that it's become more of a thing because I watch some British YouTubers and I see now that they're eating pumpkin flavoured desserts, and also Starbucks over there has pumpkin spice latte. So yeah, I think it's kind of a thing in England now. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is my favourite part, is add the caramel. And so it's going to be cut into squares, so I'm going to poke a hole where I envision that is going to be cut into squares because I want every slice to have some sort of caramel. I'd hate for someone to bite into it and go, oh, I love this caramel, and the person sat next to them going, I don't taste that caramel. So I'm assuming, oh actually this isn't very, it's not very good, is it? Let me see. This one, there we go. Okay. This is actually 12.5 ounces and only called for 10. So I'll just make sure that I won't use it all up. This recipe does call for whipped cream, which my husband hates, so he's just gonna have to take that part off. Hope this doesn't tip out like crazy. Maybe I should put it in my hand first. Okay, so we're going to give this a taste test. The sponge. So the sponge is really good. You can taste the pumpkin in it. It's definitely a really good pumpkin flavour to it. This is good. I think Peter, my German Shepherd, wants some too. Marks out of 10. I would give this a 10. This recipe is good. If someone brought this to my house, if I was having a Thanksgiving function and someone else brought this to my house, I'd be a happy camper. Yeah, it's super simple. Not difficult ingredients. I like the fact that it is a box cake, so that makes it even more simple. So you could actually make the cake the day before and then do all the extra bits, you know, the day of Thanksgiving. And the only thing is about sheet cakes is that they do take up a lot of room in the fridge. So on Thanksgiving that can be difficult. Luckily enough we have a fridge in the garage, so we can put that in there. But other than that, I think this would be a perfect dessert for anyone on Thanksgiving. 10 out of 10. That was my dog.
Thank you for watching and let me know if you tried this recipe.